Ladies and gentlemen, it's such a pleasure to be here. Thank you so very much for your support in our show, Rain. But do you know why we're all here? It's to celebrate the music of the Beatles. So you do know who they are. That's good. Let's see if you know this next song. This one changed the way we listen to pop music. I'm sure you know it. So if you do, feel free to jump right in and sing along. Join me on this one. Don't be shy. It goes like this. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said